95.58%. This is performance in 34 months of governance. In 2 months time, it's going to be 36 months. That is 3 years. So in 3 years, this is what Professor Charles Soludo has done in Anambra State. I must tell you that this standard is, in fact, I think by the Nigerian grade system in tertiary education, this is about a D score. Okay, so this is the professor we're talking about, and he's getting a D score in performance. Then I don't really know what to say about that, but I must tell you on my personal view, I'm not gonna hide it. This is not good enough. Okay, this is not good enough by any standard. So this is the conclusion for performance of Professor Charles Soludo in 34 months of governance in Anambra State. We are going straight into the next governor we'll be looking at in this particular episode, and that is Mr. Fubara. Okay, just stay with me as we look into the performance of the next governor. Now, I welcome you back as we look into the performance of Mr. Fubara of Rivers State. Now, we're not going to waste time. We're going to go straight into it, okay? It's the same categorization from the previous part of the video, so we're just continuing in that same vein, okay? Now, in economy, we saw the inauguration of the Port International Automobile Spare Parts Trading Center. So we don't know the exact operation of that place as of today, but we saw that it's been inaugurated. We saw the inauguration of the Rivers State Investment Promotion Agency. Okay, so something towards investment in Rivers State was set up, a board, an agency board. Okay, now in education, we saw the supply of resource material to several secondary schools in Rivers State, including government secondary school KEH, comprehensive secondary school LSLM, government primary school Borokiri, government secondary school Moha, government secondary school Neka, and government schools got abandoned. So this was what was done towards education, the supply and distribution of resource materials to some public secondary schools in the state. That's very good. Now, infrastructure and amenities, we saw the flagging of the 50-kilometer Port Harcourt Draw Carriage Ring Road. Very good. We saw the awarding of the Andoni Road project to MCC Limited. We saw the commissioning of a link road, 11.8 kilometer Alaigbo link road. We saw commissioning of Etio Road in LMA local government. So this is commissioning. That is the roads were started and completed. Okay, we've seen the commission of Igbo Huda internal roads. We've seen some roads in LLM1, that is for the infrastructure and amenities. And now we'll come down to the utility side, the launching of the Rivers State Bank of Industry MSME loan. So a very substantial amount, about 3 billion or thereabouts, was given out to the small and medium micro businesses like that. We saw the inauguration of the new Rivers State secondary school and UBE board. Okay, so something towards education. Now we'll go to the second page. Okay, now on the infrastructure and amenities side, we saw the roads continuing along that same vein. So Emo Haobakiri Road, the construction of Ogo Accra Street in Port Harcourt Township. We saw the road that was done 33.5 kilometer Omoku Road. We saw commissioning of the 6.55 kilometer Okania Road. We saw commissioning of the